Finally, just wanted to give you a quick example of measuring something like batteries, which are going to be sometimes used in some of our indicators, or it may be used in some other equipment that you have. But it's also a form of DC voltage. So because we're going back to measuring DC voltage, I do want to make sure that I change my lead back so that it's in the position for measuring voltage. And if I look at these two batteries, this first one here is a AA battery. And I see that it's rated at 1.5 volts. So I'm expecting there to be something in that neighborhood. But if it is much less than that, that kind of lets me know that the battery isn't good anymore, and I might as well toss it and get another one. So we'll go ahead and set our voltmeter to the position for DC voltage. And we'll go ahead and place our leads on here. And we see that we're coming up with 1.233. So it has seen a little usage. It's not up around 1.5, so we might have a little life left in this one. Let's check our 9-volt battery. Of course, in this case, we're looking for something up around 9 volts. So again, we'll take our measurement here and see what we come up with. I'll put the red on the positive terminal, black on the negative terminal. And we see a nice 9.48. This is a good battery, ready to do some work. In fact, I might use this battery in my voltmeter when it dies. And that's how you can use your digital voltmeter to help you take some measurements of your equipment when you're out in the field.